Hello everyone! Hello mga kasikat, mga kabisig. Andito kami sa Auburn Hotel na kung saan maghahanap kami ng mga models ng aming wala lang, magkikentuhan lang kami for today's video. And kasama ko si Darlene from Kids and Teen Show. Mag-hi ka muna.
Hello!
Ayan. So, ngayong araw po kasi is the event of Ligaya Couture, which is Passion Gala. And together with the host, syempre, yours truly, di ba? Kamusta ka naman?
Okay lang po. Excited po sa ngayong araw po.
Alright, dahil dyan, mga kabisig, mga kasikat. Ayan, so this is Spotlight, Dream,
Believe,
Achieve! Alright mga kabisig, mga kasikat, welcome to our live and welcome to Kabisig Internet Radio Broadcasting and of course, Afternoon Drive and Kids and Teen Show every Wednesday po yan. 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. ang Kids and Teens and of course, ang Afternoon Drive 2:30 until 4 p.m. Live din po kami napapanood sa Euro TV Philippines. Don't forget to follow and like and share mga kasikat and mga kabisig. My name is DJ Alvin, ang DJ Rocketeer ng Masa at ang DJ na kahit anong gawin, single pa din.
Hello, mga kasikat and mga kabisig. My name is Mikel Ethan from Kids and Teens Show and Euro TV Philippines Entertainment. Welcome to Spotlight, Dream, Believe, and Achieve!
Alright, so for today's video, may kasama tayo mga models nating kakausapin, Ethan.
Yes.
And alam kong nagagandahan yung mga kasama natin for today's video. Kamusta ka muna?
I am doing great and I am so excited to interview our beautiful guests for this day.
Yes, and once again, this is Spotlight, Dream, Believe, and Achieve na mapapanood po sa Kabisig Internet Radio Broadcasting. Ayan, so i-play din natin to sa page ng Afternoon Drive once na na-play na sa page ng Kabisig Internet Radio Broadcasting. So bago ang lahat, pakilala ka muna, Ate Girl.
Hello everyone, I am Kyrie Elison Lumampaw Kaluwag. I am 15 years old from Imus, Cavite.
Miss Carly, right? Tama bang pagdinig? Kylie. Kyrie. How to pronounce Kyrie?
Kyrie.
You know each other?
Yes.
Sana all. Nakaka-awkward. Ba't kayo magkakilala? Ako hindi. So, meaning is Kyrie, right?
Yes po.
Alright. Kyrie, please tell us something about yourself.
I am a very adventurous person and I love trying new things. So, actually this whole interview thing is a very foreign subject to me, but I will try my best to answer the question.
I think kayang-kaya mo naman kasi walang mahirap sa pagiging artista sa mga oras na ito, di ba?
Yeah.
Gusto mo mag-artista?
Yes po.
Di ba? Ikaw gusto mo rin. Artista na pa nga tayo, di ba? Oo, ayan. So, bago ang lahat, Kyrie, please correct me if I'm wrong. Kung nagkakamali ako sa mga pagtawag ng mga pangalan ninyo kasi masyadong unique na mga names ng mga tao ngayon, di ba? Unlike mga 1980s, 1970s, yung mga names, Ethan, if you don't mind, mga name nila is madadali lang. Like, for example, si Aling, ganyan, si Linlin. Mga name nila kasi dati is simple lang. Ngayon, pahabaan ng pangalan. Diba?
Opo.
Your name is Mikael Ethan.
Yes po.
2 words.
Mikael Ethan.
Yes.
Yeah.
Oo. And how about you? How many syllables you have?
Oh, syllables like Kyrie and Layson.
Diba? Mahaba. may sound na Kyrie eh. Kyrie. Alam mo yung song na yon?
Yes, it's actually a song po sa church.
Yes. So meaning, yung nanay mo pala simba.
Yes.
Hindi naman chismosa.
Hindi naman po.
Oh, di ba? So bago ang lahat, bumati ka muna sa ating mga kabisig and mga kasikat viewers.
Hello po mga kabisig.
Ay, ang tipid niya, ate. Ay, ate na lang.
Kuya!
Ang tipid niya, kuya. Oo. Para yung guest natin last time sa show, ang tipid-tipid din lang bumati. Yung mga friends mo,
Oo.
relatives, ganyan.
Okay, hi everyone! Thank you po for watching today and I hope po you enjoy this little interview.
Yes. So, handa ka na ba sa mga question namin ni Kuya Ethan?
Kakayanin po.
Kakayanin. Ethan?
My first question is, how do you balance work, school, and personal life?
Ayan, bago lang ang lahat, pag mo sagutin yan, may tissue ka ba dyan?
Handa ko po sarili ko.
Handang-handa naman pala. Anyway, sige, take your time.
I balance my school and work life po. Syempre po by time management kasi I have a lot of extracurriculars as a student. Like as of right now, we are currently working on our school sports fest, and as part of our student council, I balance my time by, of course, time management. I allot time for my specific activities. Like this Sunday, I allotted for this specific event po.
If I don't mind, Kyrie, how old are you na po pala?
I am 15 years old po.
Wow. I'm 14.
Wow. Sige po.
Okay, my next question is that, what is your advice to young individuals and to all the young girls out there?
My advice to all the young girls out there and to all the teens out there is to just enjoy your youth, spend your time wisely, and just overall be curious about new things to be able to learn more new things. Yeah.
Alam niyo, nakikinig lang ako pero naiintindihan.
Yes,
Oo.
I also agree with Ate Kyrie. So, guys, if you like your one work, mahalin nyo yan.
Yes, oo. Ba't kayo ang galing-galing mag-English? Ako hindi ako more mag-English. Sana all na lang, di ba? How to learn?
For me po, I learned it when I was young po. I started watching YouTube videos po for of like cartoons speaking English, and I just adapted their way of speech.
Alright, so meaning, nung bata ka pa, nanonood ka ng Peppa Pig.
Yes po.
Oo, marami natutunan. Yung mga bata ngayon, ang daming natututo mag-English nang dahil sa Peppa Pig. Ikaw, saan ka natuto?
Saan po ako natuto?
Mag-English.
I studied English
Yeah?
in We Bear Bears because they usually speak English a lot. You can see me using English right now.
Alam mo, pwede ka mag-school sa mga Harvard, di ba? Mga ganyang bagay. You look so attorney right now. Oo. Meron ka bang hearing for today's video? Do you have any questions to our guests?
My next question is that, what do you think Model Prodigy stands for?
Yeah, of course, Model Prodigy Circle stands for Youth Empowerment, yes. Because as young individuals, we strive to empower our youth and to give our advice to all the young girls out there to just be confident in your own skin.
So you're a coach?
Yes po, I'm a head coach of MPC.
Wow, so you're teaching all the MPC people there.
Yes, I teach a lot of my fellow models.
And also, you became a MPC, right?
Yeah, I am an MPC
So-
and my rank there is coach also.
Your coach also.
Yeah, ambassador of Model Prodigy Circle.
Wow. So, you're a student or not?
We are a co-model.
Co-model. So, how's your, di ba? So, kumusta naman ang pagiging modelo ng isang MPC for Model Prodigy Circle?
For me po, it's very heartwarming because of course I love what I'm doing right now, and I love that I can empower young girls and to teach them new things po. So, very masarap po siya sa pakiramdam.
Wow. Any questions, Kuya Ethan?
Before you started modeling, when did you hear Model Prodigy Circle? And how did you got there?
Okay, so I had a friend. She is a coach now. Then I saw her My Days sa Facebook and I said na I wanted to try because at first I just wanted to improve my posture and voice, but when I started it, I loved it so much that I just kept on continuing and I am here right now.
Wow. Kyrie, one thing on my mind right now, can I ask you some questions? I think kaya mo naman sagutin to. What if papipiliin kita, diskarte o talino, and bakit?
Ooh, for me po, mas pipiliin ko po ang talino. Kasi po, paano po tayo makakadiskarte kung wala po tayong talino? Because of course, we have to use our intelligence to do certain stuff. Like, we have to make the right choices para makapag-diskarte po. And that's why I choose talino.
Pang Miss Universe yung sagutan, Kuya Ethan, di ba?
Yes, I agree.
Brainy to. Natalino siya.
Mhm.
Oo. With honors ka ba?
Yes po.
Ay, sana Anyway, anong grade mo na?
I'm in third year po. Third year po sa high school.
So, graduating ka this year or not?
Next year po.
Next year. So, what is your ambition?
My ambition po is to of course makapagtapos po ako ng pag-aaral.
Wala namang umaaligid sa paligid mo.
What do you mean?
Like for example, yung mga something like that men on your side na pogi, ganon.
Of course naman po, hindi naman po natin may iwasan yan. But kailangan po natin mag-focus sa goal which is to study po muna.
Yes, that's true. Ikaw, Kuya Ethan, may mga umaaligid-aligid na din ba sa'yo?
Aligid-aligid. Ba't sa aligid-aligid?
Something beautiful girl in your life that's crushes on you.
Well, the time on my school, there is one girl that is...
Oh, don't say the name.
Okay, there is one girl that is crushing me, and that time strikes where she said, I like you.
Wow! Oo.
Yes.
Ako naman, walang umaaligid maliban sa mga ipis, ganyan, taga. Oo, doon ako kinikilig, lalo kapag may ipis sa dibdib ko. Lakas ng kabog ng dibdib ko. Kerry, saan ka ba natatakot? Insekto or sa mga, or anong kinatatakutan mo na lang?
For me po, mga insekto po talaga.
Oh, give me sample.
I don't like talaga po mga insects po in general. Like, I don't like centipedes and stuff po.
What is sensitives?
Centipedes.
Centipedes, what is that?
It's like caterpillars, like worms po.
Caterpillar is so good to me because caterpillars give some charm. It look like uod
Yes po.
to become a caterpillar. Okay. Alopihan means there's a lot of feet like that.
Opo.
And yes, nakita ko yung alopihan. Kasi nabanggit niya butterfly. But butterfly is friendly to me. Oo. Diba? Ikaw, saan ka ano ang mas kinatatakutan mo?
Mga insekto po, katulad po ng ipis, bulate, ganyan po. Kaya po ako natatakot lagi sa ipis because lagi po pang may tumatakbo sa akin, talagang takbo din po ako. At saka lumilipad din po sila. Lumilipad din po sila. They are flying, that's why I get scared. It's okay if they are just crawling. Pero mamaya lumipad na lang po or nose po or sa face.
Oh. Pero pinaka number one scared ko talaga sa insect is spider. I don't like spider, like something gumagapang in ceiling, you know, and then you are sleeping in the bed and like this one, pasway-sway pa.
Web?
Oo, in my house. Oo, spider, something like a sway-sway, ganyan. Tapos nakahiga ka, pagtingin mo, merong spider na lalapit sa'yo. Kasi naranasan ko na makagat ng spider kasi wala akong web. Oo, gumagana.
Spider-Man.
Yes, gumagana lang yung web ko kapag Sunday night. Alright, so back to the guest na tayo, Ethan. Do you have any questions?
My next question is that, how do you describe yourself in 3 words?
Oh.
Oh, in 3 words. I can say that I am very outgoing, friendly, and kind po.
Why?
Because, as I said, I like trying new things and I like to approach new people because, of course, as a individual po, I like that likes to try new things po. I want to approach new people to learn about them and to learn how they are doing mga
All right. So we don't have time, Ethan. So
Yes po.
siguro magpapaalam tayo. So any message sa your fans, relatives, and of course MPC models, lahatin mo na in your social media accounts.
Okay po. Thank you po sa lahat po na nag-support sa akin all the way through. Thank you po sa aking family, sa aking friends po. And number one po kay God po kasi po He guided me up until here po. And my socials po are Kyrie Ko Eleison on FB po and KYRCLG po on IG po. You know?
All right. Thank you so much, Kyrie, for the interview for today's video. Maraming salamat sa pagtanggap ng imbitasyon. And of course, maraming thank you. Until next episodes, mga kasikat, mga kabisig. My name is DJ Alvin ng DJ Rocketeer ng Mas at ang DJ na kahit ang gawin, single pa din. Ethan?
Thank you so much po for watching, mga kasikat and kabisig po. Kabisig po. So, please follow, like, share, Kabisig, Internet Radio Broadcasting, Kids and Teen Show, and Hero TV Philippines Entertainment on our social media. Please follow, like, share also my social media accounts, also in TikTok, Instagram, Mikhail Diety. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Bye-bye until next episode.
All right. This is Spotlight, Dream, Believe, and Achieve.